Hey, you all aspiring aesthetic dentists. Do you want to be fearless when it comes to delivering veneers? We bring you the CPR of aesthetic rehabilitation, the future of dentistry. Hi, I am Dr. Aslam, and along with Dr. Mithun, we are here to make you more confident in managing simple to complex veneer cases digitally. We all know that just a few hours of training does not make any clinician a true aesthetic dentist. And that's why, for the first time in the history of Indian dentistry, you will get to explore the 4 days of digital extravaganza. Yes, 4 days, 4 appointments, and a live smile makeover in front of your eyes. So whether you are a student eager to start with your first veneer case or an experienced clinician who wants to refine the skill sets, this all-inclusive course will destroy all your fears related to photography protocols, scanning sessions, treatment planning, guided tooth preparation, art of temporization, and bonding natural veneers. This program is also designed around clinical convenience. If you have not heard about smartphone photography, magic makeup, template-based dentistry, and a copy-paste formula, then you will get to learn about them and many more novel concepts in this course. We also understand that practical challenges could be different from theory. Keeping this in mind, we have added a hands-on course that will help each participant to tackle photography, tooth preparation, and bonding protocols individually. But that's not all. We haven't forgotten about the fun part. Get a chance for networking and bonding with mentors and fellow participants in a gala evening party at the end of third day of this course. Don't miss your chance to be part of digital dentistry. See you soon at our RSD Training Centre, Andheri, Mumbai, from 12th to 15th August 2022.